Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy July, I guess. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say 6 different things at once. Happy July 1st, cannot believe it. And welcome back to my dailies. I am gonna be doing $6 a day for the month of July, and I'm still working through my stash. I do have a couple new ones here and there. I did try to go and get a few things because there's so many cute things out and I haven't done that in a while. So I have $6. I have my dice tower and cash tray that were made for me. This was made for me by Danny at Craftco Budget, and it's got a little shark on it. And then this one is a cash tray made for me from, actually, sorry, the cash tray was Danny at Craftco Budgets, and the dice tower was Janelle at Janelle Ray Budget. So super honored to get that. I couldn't believe that they did that. That was so sweet. And my cash tray has little sharks on it. So it is definitely shark month around here. A little bit of shark mist sprinkled in here and there. And I've got my little hammerhead and little sharky guy. So we are ready. So I have my same setup as before. And I did go through and put in some new challenges. I have not filmed my video that you're probably going to watch tonight. Fingers crossed, I get it done. I don't know if you've ever had trouble like filming something before, or not filming, but like doing something because you're like, I'm so unsure of how it's going to go. That's what's happening with me with my, was supposed to be a Tuesday night video and now it's turning into a Wednesday night video. So I am putting my $6 into my minis bank. I have $6 worth of prop coins, and I did exchange them all for the 25 cents. So that way, no matter what, I think almost all of my icons are worth 25 cents. There might be one here and there that's worth 50. So I am gonna just scoot that a little bit out of the way, bring this in. I've got a D3, so I am gonna roll the die, and whatever number comes up, I don't have to spin it because we know what that is. So wow, one's gonna get 3 right off the bat. So this is kind of 2 for 2. I feel like out of sorts. I haven't done this in a while. 2 for 3. So these are all new challenges, all new minis and tinies. 3 for number 4. So I don't think we'll finish any. There are a couple in here that are kind of small, but we'll see. Oh, and then we only have 6, so let's go back to number 1. I think I have to roll that, right? 1, 2, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, timber. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Definitely off my game. 1 and 2 for number 3, and we have 2 left. And that's what number 4 is getting. All right, so we will start at number 5. I do not have a paper clip ready. We will use Cinderella for now, because why not? Okay, so let's go back to number 1. I don't need you. Okay, so we are gonna see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. So 450. I wish. 150 going into number 1. Ooh, and this one's a big one. This is from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. Each little spot is a quarter, except for these 2 down here. So I might get rid of the 50 cents. This will save us $8. And this picture of the shark was taken by Mindy herself at an aquarium in Oklahoma. That's so cool. All right, so, and these are the sparkly Clickarts from Mama B, Mama's Budget and More. It's so cute. The little bling is like right in there. Oh God, I love these. Okay, we're still filming. There's still sound. All right, so let's do these 2. So that's the $1, and then we can do 2 more spots. 1 and 2. All right, so I'm gonna put my coins right here, put this back into number 1. And I think I'm gonna leave the categories on here for now. Yeah, so looks like we have 5s, 25 cents, so that's $1.25 going into number 2. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Each one of these little sharks is 25 cents. How cute is that? So we can do 5 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are they farting? Is that what's happening? Oh my God, that's hilarious. How am I just noticing that? That is kind of funny. All right. Oh, Lindsay cracks me up. All right, so number 3. Let's get the challenge out. This one, Dawn made me from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. It's, you know, me on the back of a shark. That's literally what it looks like. Okay, so we have 4, so that's $1. So we can go 25, 50, 75, and $1. And I already marked off one because I couldn't get it to be even. All right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's $1.25 going into this one. This one's from Becca Budget 777. Oh, did I make these each 50 cents? 1, 2, 3. I did. All right, so we have $1.25. All right. So we can do 2. So that's $50, $1, and then I'll do half of Hermione. I thought they were all 25 cents, so I was proven wrong. All right, and then number 5. Oh, number 5 got 50 cents. So let's see what number 5 is. Number 5 is from the Millennial Saver. Stay trashy. So we have 2 trash cans down here that are worth 50 cents. So I will do one of those. Squeakies. So that, oops, that does not go in there. That goes in here. Oh, I have my paper clip on. Okay. And then number 6. Number 6 got 25. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner. It was a Wednesday Night Live exclusive. So we have 2 that we can mark off. So I'm going to do 1 and 2 for 50 cents. Just go with the flow. So did not expect to finish any today. Not a problem. We got to start somewhere, but we will start on number 5 tomorrow. And yeah, this was super fun. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, take care. Bye.